It's 9 a.m., sunny morning. The temperatures are supposed to reach in the mid-80s. Perfect day for sealing the deck. This deck is on the north side of the house, and this time of year it will be in partial sun and shade all day long. First, I'm going to blow it off with a leaf blower to get the dust off and debris, and also to help it dry a little bit from the moisture during the night. It's midday, the temperature's in the mid-70s, deck is clean and dry, and I'm ready to apply the Ready Seal sealer. Most of the deck is in the shade. Just 5 or 6 boards are still in the sun, so I'll start at the house side of the deck and work my way towards the sunny side. Definitely helps to put on the painter's tape here so I don't get it on the siding or on the door. It's a very good brush. Holds a lot of seal. Last few boards before we're in the sun. That'll make it interesting. It's going on really good. A little bit different here where it was exposed to the sun and took more cleaning. Now it's getting hot out here. I'm trying not to sweat on the boards as I paint them. I finished sealing the deck. It went on pretty good. I'm really pleased the way it looks. It remains to be seen how it'll look when it's all really dried and when the lighting's even. But it certainly is starting out to be the color I was hoping it'd be. After 2 days of drying in the summer sun, the sealed deck looks fantastic. I'm very pleased with the results. It's been about 3 weeks since I sealed this deck. Every day has been bright sunshine, especially on the end of the deck that's closest to the camera. This morning we have marine fog and it's drizzling. Let's see how it looks on the deck. The water is beating up, as I would expect. Fantastic. Let's hope we get many months of use before I have to reseal.